Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you what I picked out for my birthday gift from Sephora 2020. As you guys know, and as I've said a few times before, this year, 2020, I am not going to be shopping at Sephora. But when March came around, last year I was BrioGeo, and they're like, here's your birthday gift this year, I could not resist. So I placed a small order and I picked out my birthday gift because I'm shameless, I don't care. And I've done this for the past few years, so it kind of feels like a bit of a tradition. 3 options for your birthday gift this year was a little package from Milk Makeup, a little package from Sol de Janeiro, or a little package from BrioGeo. And if you were VIB or VIB Rouge, you could have chosen a little like NARS exclusive, which I opted to actually skip out. I didn't think it was that hot. I went for the BrioGeo. They have adorable packaging here for the BrioGeo stuff, and they have the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, which I've actually used before, and I recall liking it. But the product that I'm really excited to try out is the BrioGeo Scalp Revival Charcoal plus Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. So for the shampoo, they say to apply it to wet hair and vigorously massage it into the scalp and through to the ends, rinse and repeat as necessary. For the deep conditioning mask, they say after you shampoo, massage it onto your hair from root to tip, leave-in for 10 minutes before rinsing. And you can see all of the ingredients and the size of the kits. They are both 1 fluid ounce of product. BrioGeo is out of New York, and these are made in the USA. The little samples jars that they give you just look like this. Again, very sweet little packages, although I hate using these in the shower. Like, I hate using these in the shower. I would much rather have a little squeeze tube. But I'm very curious about the shampoo. You just lift up the little protector tab, and here's what the shampoo looks like. It smells very fresh. Even though it says coconutty, it almost smells like a little bit minty to me. Maybe that's just the charcoal in there. But when you pick up a little bit of this, it does feel not super gritty, but maybe like there's desiccated coconut in there, that kind of like soft grit. And then, of course, the Don't Despair Repair Conditioner is just, it looks like a conditioner. And it's got a very strong, I would say, scent, but I don't know, it kind of just smells like body care or something. Something kind of like tropical. I'm going to use these tonight, see how they feel, and then kind of do a follow-up and let you know what I thought of these 2 products. So I will see you in a bit after I've had a shower. Bye for now. Alright, I'm back. It's the next day and I've showered. I washed my hair with the products. This is actually, so I watched it last night and now it's about 9:30 the next day. Had a really good hair day today. I didn't put any product in my hair all day, and I did notice it was a little bit less like voluminous, as in like fluffy voluminous than normal. I did plop it overnight so to kind of help form the curls, but just before I came on video, I kind of just went to the sink and got some water in my hands and kind of like scrunched everything up and applied a little bit of my Cantu Curl Activating Cream just to kind of like refresh. Overall, let's summarize my thoughts on these products. So first of all, hate the packaging of these samples. No surprise, they are filthy now. Even just using them in the shower is very annoying, and I don't know about this shampoo, but the conditioner comes in a case like that. Like when you buy the full size, you're buying a tub of it, which to me is just a complete turn off. Why, when I'm in the shower, do I want to wrestle with taking off a lid, finding somewhere to put a lid, digging my hands in, needing to put the lid back? Like, that is just too much when we have invented pump bottles. I don't get it. Even a squeeze bottle, like, this is not it. But I did enjoy using both of the products. The shampoo smelled really nice. Kind of like minty fresh. Oh, it's tea tree oil. That's what's in there that smells like that. For my shampoo, I liked it a lot. I think it got me really nice and clean. I'm not a huge fan of the like grittiness to it. Like it's micro exfoliating shampoo, so it's a little bit gritty. I could take it or leave it really. I have a little shampoo brush which I usually like use on my scalp, which I think helps exfoliate thin fingers normally anyway, so definitely not something I would repurchase, but it was definitely fun to try. And I do think I have maybe 1 or 2 tries left in this little sample, so considering they're kind of small, but at the same time it's a pretty generous sample size. The tubs are 30 milliliters of product, so maybe like 10 milliliters each time you use it. The conditioner I dug a little bit deeper in. I have maybe 1 more use of that. And like I said, I've used this before. I really like it a lot. Maybe I would purchase it regularly, A, if it was cheaper, B, if I didn't need to buy it at Sephora, C, if it didn't come in this container. But enough factors stack up against it that I'm not going to repurchase either of these 2 items. Although, like I said, I like the results. I think they're fine to use. So anyway, that is a look at this year's Sephora birthday gift. One of the options that you can pick. Happy birthday if you're doing some research on which one you should pick out. This one I do think is a really good one to pick. I think you get a generous amount of product. I think the products work really nicely. And yeah, if the makeup isn't exciting you too much this year, maybe try some hair care. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe down below. I put out new beauty videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Huge shout out to my patrons who help make these videos possible, and a huge shout out to you for watching. And of course, I will see you all in my next beauty video. Bye.